Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is the AEG 56800 Lavatherm tumble dryer. I said I liked it in a previous video, but I had a problem with it. You turn it on, let's try and get it to go again, make the problem. 20 minutes, I have to poke in here with something pokey. Alright, so there's a problem with the start button, so you gotta poke it in here. Now listen to it and watch up on top. I haven't tried this already, but so it rotates ever so slightly for a second and then stops. But it does rotate, and there is a belt on it, and that was the issue we had discussed in the comments. Someone said PCB. If it's PCB, then that's no good. Someone said belt. I thought belt. I thought what I was hearing was the motor whirring with no, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I thought it was with no feedback or something like that. Around here you've got a metallic strip. It seems to be isolated from the machine by a sheet of plastic, from the drum I mean, by a piece of plastic, and then there's a carbon brush. It might not be carbon, it might just be copper, actually, copper cable, some kind of a brush there, which will build continuity through, and that's part of the drying sensor thing, I guess. That's spring loaded. Pretty neat. I've seen the Miele one with the two brushes on the outside, two carbon brushes, but this is actually a brush. It's kind of neat. Power's going to it, we know that, so that's all live in there. We're going to get an error code. I didn't wait for an error code. It says drying, you know. It's where can I make it happen again? Let's turn it off again. Okay, let's put it onto that side just for fun. Let's try this again. So it's spinning that way. Let's turn it off. Presume it's not live. It's not live. Not live. Trying it with my finger. That's pretty silly. It's very stiff and heavy, but that might just be the way it is. There is laundry in it. Ow. Just catch my finger there. There's a step here. And I wonder if this is meant to run that way. No, if it's meant to normally run this way. And so I wonder if there's a relay broken on the board. It may be the case that it's only rotating in one direction, which is the way, like because of this brush, could be live, because of this brush and because of this step here, I think it should always rotate this way, except for a contra rotation, which would be a short one, like it's just done in the other direction. So let's show that again. Okay, there it is. And it doesn't go the other way. I'll leave it for 5 minutes and just see if it changes its flashing pattern to an error code. Okay, we've gotten to the end. I left it for about an hour, went inside, and I've got an error code. It's doing clunk clunk inside, then we're getting flashes. So when they come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flashes of the end light. That's what I've got to search for. I'll Google it, but you might already know what the answer is. So yeah, any help in the comments, please. Excellent. We're getting somewhere slowly. Thanks for watching. See you later.